बच्चों, मैं आप सब लोगों का स्वागत करता हूं मेरे इस चैनल नीट का फिजिक्स में। आज मैं लाया हूं आपके लिए कुछ खास। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर का टॉपिक किरचॉफ्स लॉस के प्रॉब्लम्स। चलिए बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। ये क्वेश्चन कह रहा है, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट आई इन द फॉलोइंग सर्क्यूट। ठीक है बच्चों, ये एक सर्क्यूट हमको दिया गया है। इसमें हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट आई इज इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क, आई इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच। देखिए बच्चों, इफ आई अप्लाई Kirchhoff's current law at this junction or at this node, incoming current is equal to outgoing current. 4 plus 3 is equal to how much? 7 amperes. 7 amperes of current will be flowing here, 7 amperes till here. ठीक है बच्चों, अगर यहाँ पे this is like this, यहाँ पे एक जंक्शन, दोनों को पकड़ के एक जंक्शन बना दो. This is 7 amperes. This is 2 amperes. This is I, and this is 1.3 amperes. Incoming current is equal to outgoing current. Therefore, 7 will be equal to 2 plus I plus 1.3. Therefore, I will be equal to 7 minus of 3.3. That is, I is equal to 3.7 amperes is the right answer. Current I is equal to 3.7 amperes. ठीक है बच्चों, बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन था, बेस्ड ऑन KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. Okay. Incoming current is equal to outgoing current. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 यहाँ रहा है, 2 outgoing, I outgoing, and 1.3 is outgoing. Incoming current is equal to outgoing current is 3.7 amp. Next question, based on KCL itself, value of current I, यहाँ पे I है, ठीक है, in the following circuit is, हाँ ठीक है बच्चों, ठीक है, यहाँ पर 10 amperes of current आ रहा है, okay, 6 amperes यहाँ आ रहा है, तो 4 amperes should be going here. ठीक है बच्चों, because incoming current should be equal to outgoing current, 4 amperes. Okay, इस जंक्शन पे incoming current is 10 amperes, outgoing 4 यहाँ पे, 6 यहाँ पे, 10. इस जंक्शन पे 1 ampere आ रहा है, 4 amperes आ रहा है. Incoming current is equal to outgoing current. Here current will be 5 amperes. इस जंक्शन पे 6 is incoming, 2 is again incoming, outgoing will be 8 amperes. इस जंक्शन पे बच्चों incoming current is equal to outgoing current. 5 plus of 8 is equal to I will be equal to 13 amperes. I will be equal to 13 amperes is the right answer. या नहीं तो बच्चों, if I consider this whole thing, यहाँ पे इसको मैं एक जंक्शन मान लूँ, तो इनकमिंग करंट इज इक्वल टू आउटगोइंग करंट. दैट इज, इनकमिंग करंट इज हाउ मच? 10 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to I, that is outgoing. 10 is incoming, 1 is incoming, 2 is incoming, I will be equal to again 13 amperes. Method 2 this is. चलिए बच्चों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन कह रहा है, द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस VA minus VB between the points A and B in the given figure is, हाँ ठीक है बच्चों, A and B are the points here. You have to find the potential difference between the points A and B. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. VA minus VB हमको पता है बच्चों, VA minus VB is equal to 2 amperes of current flow हो रहा है. Whenever current is flowing in a resistor, R है, करंट इस तरह अगर फ्लो हो रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्लस एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड करंट लीविंग, दिस कॉल्ड माइनस. इफ वी आर मूविंग लाइक दिस, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्लस IR. इफ वी आर मूविंग लाइक दिस, माइनस IR लेंगे. ठीक है बच्चों, हाँ. इफ वी आर मूविंग लाइक दिस, पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन से प्लस आई आर, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन से आएंगे तो माइनस आई आर, ठीक है। वी ए माइनस वी बी, ठीक है, वी ए माइनस वी बी इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू दिस इज प्लस, करंट इज एंटरिंग प्लस, ठीक है, करंट इज एंटरिंग, दिस इज माइनस, करंट इज एंटरिंग 2 इंटू 2 प्लस पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द वोल्टेज इज देयर प्लस 3, ठीक है बच्चों। करंट 2 एम्पेयर फ्लो हो रहा है यहाँ पे, अगेन दिस इज प्लस एंड दिस इज माइनस, वी आर एंटरिंग लाइक दिस, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1, that is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2, 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9 volts is the right answer, plus 9 volts is the right answer. VA minus VB is equal to 9 volts. ठीक है बच्चों, ये बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है। You have to find the potential difference between the points A and B. ठीक है, VA minus VB is equal to how many volts? 9 volts is the right answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं बच्चों। ये कह रहा है if 3 amperes of current is flowing between points P and Q, ठीक है, इस सर्किट, then the potential difference between P and Q, potential difference between P and Q पूछ रहा है बच्चों। VP minus VQ is equal to, हाँ, करंट 3 एम्पेयर्स, ये प्लस है ये माइनस है, ठीक है, करंट इस तरह फ्लो हो रहा है 3 एम्पेयर्स, तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा और ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, ठीक है। वीपी माइनस वीक्यू इज इक्वल टू, हाँ, अगेन हियर 2 ohm resistor is connected, that is the internal resistance of the battery. We have to write like this, this is P, this is plus minus 2 ohm internal resistance है, 4 ohm resistor है, and this is Q. This is point P, 3 amperes of current is flowing, this is plus and this is minus, 2 volts, 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and current 3 amperes is flowing here, 3 amperes is current is flowing. ये प्लस हो जाएगा बच्चों, ये माइनस हो जाएगा, 3 amperes of current is flowing here, ये फिर प्लस हो जाएगा and this is माइनस, ठीक है। Now let us find VP minus VQ. VP minus VQ is equal to, first you are getting positive terminal, that is 2. If I move like this, what is the drop here? What is the drop across 2 ohm? V is equal to I into R, 2 into 3 plus of, if I move further, 4 into 3, that is equal to 2 plus 6 plus 12, that is equal to 20 volts. VP minus VQ, हाँ बच्चों, this is very confusing. You have to write 2 ohm in series with the 2 volt battery, ठीक है, 2 ohms in series with the 2 volts battery, and this 4 ohm is as it is. We are moving from P to Q. VP minus PQ is equal to, first you have to write down the value of the battery, 2 plus what is the drop across here, 3 into 2 plus what is the drop across here, 3 into 4, ठीक है, 2 plus 6 plus 12, that is 20 volts is the right answer. If I move further, what I am getting, the value of I1 and I2 are, okay, ये सर्किट है बच्चों, the value of I1 and I2. Now let us say this is P and this is Q, ठीक है। How much is VQ? VQ is 0 because this is earthed, this is called earthing, this is earthed, 0 volts, potential of earth is 0, okay, 0 volts. ये पॉइंट P ले रहा हूँ, ये पॉइंट Q ले रहा हूँ, VQ is equal to 0 and this is VP is given. VP is how much? VP is 40 volts. VP minus VQ, VP minus VQ I have two roots. VP minus VQ, I have two roots. ऊपर से जा सकता हूँ, ऐसे नीचे से जा सकता. If I move from here, this is plus and this is minus because current is flowing like this, I2. And this is again current I2 is flowing here. This will be plus and this will be minus. Okay? Here I1 is flowing, this is plus and this is minus because current is entering here, and this is I1, current is entering, this is plus and this is minus. Now VP minus VQ, if I, okay, above, if I move from above, okay, VP minus VQ, 6I2, okay, plus 6I2 and plus 4I2. ठीक है बच्चों, VP minus VQ is equal to 6I2 plus 4I2. How much is VP? 40 minus that. How much is VQ? 0. That is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10I2. Then 40 is equal to 10I2. I2 will be equal to 4 amperes. ठीक है बच्चों, हाँ. Now let us find VP minus VQ. Okay, below. ऐसे आपसे नीचे जाएंगे, ठीक है. Below 4 into VP minus VQ is equal to 4 into I1 plus of 6 into I1. VP, you know how much is VP? That is 40 volts. That is given. 40 minus 0 because it is earthed. VQ is 0. Is equal to again 10 I1. Again I1 is equal to how much? 4 amperes is the right answer. I1 is 4 amperes. I2 is 4 amperes. यहाँ पे 4 amperes, 4 amperes. The value of I1 is 4 amperes. I2 is 4 amperes. If I move further, next question. In the circuit shown, the current in the 3 ohm resistance is 3 ohm resistance. हाँ बच्चों, this I can write like this. This is 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. Everything is earthed. Okay, this below thing is earthed. This is 3 ohm and this is 3 ohm. ठीक है बच्चों. This is plus and this is minus 10 volts. Everything is earthed. सबको पकड़ के यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया गया है बच्चों. ठीक है. This everything is earthed. Now, first we will find out the value of current I here. Okay, what is the current that is given by the battery? I, total current I. Find करने के लिए we have to find out R equivalent. R equivalent I can find 6 in parallel with 2 and again in series with this resistor. R equivalent is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? 6 in parallel with 2. That is 6 into 2. 6 into 2 divided by 6 plus of 2 plus of in series with 2. ये दोनों पैरेलल में है, ये दोनों सीरीज में है. 6 in parallel with 2, 6 into 2 divided by 2 in series with this resistor. ठीक है बच्चों, that is equal to 12 by 8 plus 2. That is equal to 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 3 by 2 plus of 2, that is equal to 2. I can take LCM. 3 plus of 4, that is equal to 7 by 2. R equivalent is 7 by 2 ohm. ठीक है बच्चों. Now find out I. I is equal to what? V by R equivalent. V कितना है बच्चों? V is 10 है. 10 divided by 7 by 2, that is equal to 20 by 7 amperes is the current that is flowing here. Is given by the battery I. Now how much is I1? Let us say this is I1. That is the current flowing through this 3 ohm resistance. I1 is equal to, we know I1 is equal to main current. How much is the main current? I into resistance of the other branch, that is 2 divided by sum of the resistances. 2 plus 3 plus 3, that is 8. दैट इज इक्वल टू आई कितना आया 20 into 2 divided by 8 into 7. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are, that is equal to 5 by 7 amperes. बच्चों ये तो सीरीज में है इन पैरेलल विद दिस वन, therefore 6 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2, and again in series with this 2 ohm resistance. You get R equivalent is how much? 7 by 2 ohm. How to find I? That is the current given with battery. I is equal to V by R equivalent. 10 divided by 7 by 2, 20 by 7 amperes is the right answer. ठीक है. Now how to find this I1? You know how to find I1. I1 is equal to main current into resistance of the other branch. Which is resistance of the other branch? This one. ये किस तरह हो जाएगा? This is 2 ohm in parallel with what? 3 plus 3 is 6 ohm. ठीक है. ये क्या है? 2 ohm है. Current I is coming here. This is I1. ठीक है बच्चों. I1. How to find this I1? I1 is equal to main current into resistance of the other branch, that is 2 divided by sum of the resistance is 2 plus 6 is 8. Like this, substitute the value of I, you will get 5 by 7 amperes is the right answer. Next question की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. ये कह रहा है find the potential difference between x and y. Potential difference between x and y को नोट करना है. बच्चों यहाँ देखो 2 amperes of current is incoming, 2 amperes of current is outgoing. And see the values of the resistances. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore, the values of the resistances in the above is same as the values of the resistances in the below. Therefore, current gets equally divided. 1 ampere will go here and 1 ampere of current will go here. 1 ampere out in the top, 1 ampere in the bottom. ठीक है बच्चों. Now let us find this 1 ampere of current will be flowing, then this will become plus and this will become minus because current is entering here. And again 1 ampere of current is flowing like this, 1 ampere of current is flowing like this. So this will become plus and this will become minus. 1 ampere of current is flowing here, this will become plus and this will become minus. Again 1 ampere of current is flowing here, this will become plus and this will become minus. How to find potential difference between x and y? Vx minus Vy. I can travel from x to y either from right side or from left side. I will teach you both. Let us travel from right side. What is the drop here? Plus because current is entering. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. This is plus because current is entering here. Plus 3 into 1. I can neglect this plus, that is not a problem. 3 into 1. If I move here, okay, I am getting minus here because current is entering from the opposite side. Minus of 2 into how much? 2 into 1. That is equal to 3 minus of 2 is equal to 1 volt is the right answer. If I move from the top side, okay, top side. If I move from the bottom side, let us see the answer. You have to get the same answer. Vx minus Vy, that is from bottom. Okay. Let us move from here. Okay. That is, I mean from, this is from right side. I mean to say from right side, not top, top and bottom. Okay. From, that is 1 volt. Okay. From right side, you are getting this one. Okay. And Vx minus Vy from left side like this. Okay. Left side, if I move from x to y like this, what I am getting first? Minus, because current is entering from the opposite direction. Minus of, what is the drop? 2 into 1. Minus of 2 into 1. And if I move further, this is getting plus because current is entering here. Plus 3 into 2. Plus 3 into 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 plus, sorry, this is minus 2 into 1, right? And this is plus 3 into 1, 3 into 1, because current that is flowing across this resistor is how much? Through the resistor is 1 ampere. Okay, that is minus 2 plus 3 is again it is 1 volt only. 1 volt, 1 volt is the 1 volt is the right answer. Either you move from the right side or from the left side, you will get the same answer, that is plus 1 volt. चलिए बच्चों नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलो पढ़ते हैं. In the part of a circuit shown in figure, the potential difference Vg minus Vh. हाँ, Vg, G कहाँ है? यहाँ है. H कहाँ है? H कहाँ है? ठीक है. You should know 2 amperes. Yeah, current is there. 2 ampere. 2 into this is plus because current is entering here, and this is minus. Okay, because current is leaving from plus, and this is minus, and this is plus 3 volts, and current is entering here. Okay, 2 amperes of current is entering. ठीक है, 2 amperes of current is entering, therefore this is plus and this is minus. ठीक है बच्चों. Now here current is not given, current is not given here, but here you can make out 1 amperes of current is leaving. This is the junction. Okay, 1 amperes of current is leaving, 3 amperes of current is leaving. Totally how many? 4 amperes of current is leaving. ठीक है, therefore the incoming current will be how much? Will be 4 amperes. ठीक है बच्चों. If this is 4 amperes, 2 amperes is coming like this. Okay, and from where another 2 amperes of current should be there. 2 amperes of current is coming from here. ठीक है बच्चों. 2 amperes of current is from G, node G. This is plus minus because current is entering, minus plus, this is the battery, and this is plus minus because current is entering this 2 ohm resistor. ठीक है, and then if I move further, current is not given here, current was not given here. Now here current is given 1 amperes, 3 amperes. 4 amperes of current will be coming in, 3 amperes will go here, 1 ampere will go incoming current is equal to outgoing current, and now here 2 amperes of current is coming here, 4 amperes of current is leaving here, therefore entering current should be equal to 2 amperes. If this is entering part, this is of the resistor, this is plus and this is minus. Now let us come from G to H. Vg minus of Vh is equal to, I will start from here, G. What is the drop here? 4 into 2. This is plus 4 into 2. Okay, 4 into 2. If I move further, I am getting the negative terminal of the battery. Write down negative term, minus 3 plus 4 into 2 minus 3. If I move further, plus of, what is the drop here? 2 into 2 because 2 amperes of current is entering here. Okay, 2 into 2, and if I move further here, minus of, because current is entering from the opposite direction, minus of, what is the resistance value? 1 into 2, 1 into 2, that is equal to 8 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2, that is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 volts is the right answer. ठीक है बच्चों. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 7 volts is the right answer. If I move further, again same type of problem. The figure shows part of certain circuit. Find potential difference. Where is C? This is C. Okay, Vc. Where is P? Vc minus Vp. If I move from here to here, I can choose this part directly. Here 5 amperes of current is coming like this, that is towards C. This is, therefore current, this is 5 amperes of current is coming like this, 5 amperes of current. Okay, so 5 amperes of current is coming, so this will be plus and this will be minus because current entering in the resistor is plus. minus. Okay, this is positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal of the battery. And if I move further, okay, here 2 amperes is leaving, 2 amperes is leaving, ठीक है बच्चों, and 4 amperes is coming down, 4 amperes is coming down. Totally how many amperes? 2 amperes is going towards B, 4 amperes is going in this way, therefore this will be how much? This will be 6 amperes. ठीक है बच्चों, 6 amperes, 6 amperes is coming like this, 6 amperes. If this is 6 amperes, current is entering, this is plus and this is minus. Okay, now we got all the currents, we got the current here, we got the current here, we got the current here. We can start our journey from C to P, that is VC minus VB, that is equal to, I'll move from here with minus of what is the top? 1 into 5, minus of 1 into 5. If I move further, I am getting minus of 12, that is volts. Okay, 12 volt battery is connected, therefore minus 12. If I move further, I am getting plus. What is the drop here? Plus 2 into 6, 2 into 6. If I move further, I am getting what? Plus, positive terminal of the battery, plus 3. If I move further here, this is how many amperes? 2 amperes of current is, this is plus and this is minus because current is entering here. Plus 4 into 2, that is equal to minus 5 minus 12 minus 5 minus 12 plus 12 plus 3 plus of 8. Plus 12 minus 12 gets cancelled. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 volts. 6 volts is the right answer. ठीक है बच्चों, that is the potential difference between the points C and P. Okay, VC minus VB. If I move from here, minus 1 into 5, that is the current, this is the value of the resistor, this is the value of current, minus 12, this is the value of the battery, plus here 6 amperes of current is flowing, 6 into 2, that is 2 into 6, 1 and the same, IR, RR is 1 and the same, plus 3 plus 4 into 2, okay, minus 5 minus 12 plus 12 plus 3 plus 8. Minus 12 plus 12 gets cancelled, 6 volts is the right answer. We'll move further. The potential difference between points A and B of advanced figure is potential difference between A and C. A and B you have to find out. A is here and B is here. How to find the potential difference? See these two. Okay, this is the battery connected between A and C. You observe this one. These three resistances and the values of these three resistances is same. That is 5, 5, 5. This is D is here somewhere and A is here. Okay, where is B? B will be here. Okay, this is 2 volts. So voltage, this is 5 and 5. Voltage gets divided equally. Therefore, the voltage will be how much? 2 by 3 volts. 2 by 3 volts. 2 by 3 volts. Voltage gets divided equally. Okay, bachcho. Now, what is VA minus VB then? This is 2 by 3 volts, 2 by 3 plus of 2 by 3. You take 3 as LCM is 4. 4/3 volts is the right answer. VA minus VB, 4/3 is the answer. If the values of the resistances are equal here, okay, the voltage gets divided. Okay, यहाँ पे जो 5 plus 5 plus 5 15 ohm, यहाँ पे 15 ohm है, values are the same, therefore it gets equally divided. ठीक है बच्चों, 4/3 volts is the right answer. If I move further, in the circuit shown, the point B is earthed. Okay, the potential at point A. ठीक है, you have to find the value of the current that is flowing here. Okay, that is given by the battery. What is the R equivalent? First we'll find R equivalent. R equivalent is how much? All are connected in series here. Forget about this C. Okay, all are connected in series. That is 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 3. That is equal to how much? 12. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 10 is 22, 23, 22 plus 3 is 25. I is equal to V by R, that is 50 by 25, that is equal to 2 amperes. Now 2 amperes of current, this is plus because current is entering, this is minus. Again 2 amperes of current will be flowing here, this is plus and this is minus. Okay, I is, we got 2 amperes. Now VA minus VB, if I move here, okay, what is the drop here across? Plus is there, 5 into 2, that is I is equal to 2 amperes. 5 into 2 plus of 7 into 2, that is equal to 10 plus 14, that is equal to 24 volts is the right answer. If I move to the next problem, what is in the circuit shown, the cell has an EMF of 10 volts. Okay, internal resistance of 1 ohm. Internal resistance 1 ohm. Okay. The other resistances are shown in the figure. This is 4, 2, 2, 4. The potential difference VA minus VB. हमको सबसे पहले we have to find out the value of I. To find the value of I, we have to get R equivalent. R equivalent calculate करने के लिए 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 in parallel with 6 is how much? 6 in parallel with 6 is 3 ohm. 3, this is in series, plus 1 and this 1, that is equal to 5 ohm is the R equivalent. 6, 4 and 2 are in series, 2 and 4 are in series. 6 in parallel with 6, that is 3, plus 1 in series, plus 1, 5 ohm. I is equal to V by R. 10, V is how much? E by R, that is R equivalent. V by R, that is 2 amperes. 2 amperes of current यहाँ पे आएगा. ठीक है बच्चों, 2 amperes of current. If we come here, the current gets divided. This is 6 ohm, this is 6 ohm. Current gets equally divided. यहाँ पे 1 ohm चला जाएगा, यहाँ पे 1 ohm चला जाएगा, यहाँ पे 1 एम्पेयर चला जाएगा, यहाँ पे 1 एम्पेयर चला जाएगा क्योंकि 6 ओम और 6 ओम द वैल्यूज ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंसेस आर सेम. नो पूछ क्या रहा है? VA minus VB. VA minus VB. Current is entering here. This is plus minus. Current is entering here. This is plus. This is minus. Current is entering here. This is plus. This is minus. And current is entering is plus minus minus. I can move A to B from right side as well as from right side. VA minus VB. ठीक है, राइट साइड से मूव करेंगे, राइट साइड से मूव करेंगे. व्हाट इज सी वैल्यू? VA minus VB plus 2 into what is the current flowing? 2 into that is current 1 ampere. Okay, 2 into 1 ampere. And if I move further, minus I am getting because current is entering from the opposite side here. Okay, if I move like this, this is minus 4 into 1, that is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 volts is the right answer. ठीक है. Now I will teach you how to move from left side also. VA minus VB. VA minus VB from left side will move. Okay, left side will move A to B. Okay, minus, because current is entered from minus of what is IR, 4 into 1, and if I move here, the current is entering plus, okay, plus 2 into 1, that is minus 4 plus 2 is again minus 2 volts is the right answer. Next question, in the circuit shown in figure, the magnitude and direction of the flow of current respectively, okay, the magnitude and direction, हाँ ठीक है बच्चों, यहाँ पे एक बैटरी है 10 वोल्ट्स और यहाँ पे एक 4 वोल्ट्स बैटरी है. ये बैटरी ऐसे करंट देगी, ठीक है, ये बैटरी ऐसे करंट देगी क्लॉकवाइज, और ये बैटरी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज करंट देगी, ठीक है बच्चों, बिकॉज करंट विल बी लाइक दिस एंड करंट विल बी लाइक दिस फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, ठीक है. ये हो गया क्लॉकवाइज, ये हो गया एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, ठीक है. Therefore, what is the net voltage? V net is equal to, which is greater? Clockwise is greater. VC minus of anti-clockwise is less. VA. ठीक है. 10 minus of 4, that is equal to 6 volts. Direction will be in the clockwise only. Clockwise. ठीक है बच्चों. Now find out I. I is equal to V net by R equivalent. R equivalent कितना है? 6 divided by R equivalent. All these resistances are in series, ठीक है. 2 plus 3 plus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6. That is equal to 1 ampere in the clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction. ठीक है बच्चों. 1 ampere in the clockwise direction. Current ऐसे यहाँ पे चल रहा है. Okay. Current is flowing like this in the clockwise direction. What is the value of current? That is equal to 1 ampere. Okay. So from E to B, 1 ampere current will be flowing, and the same, okay, current will be flowing from B to C also, because I is equal to 1 ampere. It will be flowing in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. 1 ampere. पूछा क्या है? 7 by 2 amperes? No. 7 by 2 amperes? No. 1 ampere from B to A. 1 ampere from B to A via E. No, this is wrong. 1 ampere from, because current is flowing in the clockwise direction. From A to B via E. Correct. 1 ampere of current from A to B. A to B जाता है. 1 ampere of current is flowing from A to B via E. Via E is the right answer. Now find out the value of current through 2 ohm resistor in the following circuit. 2 ohm resistor. But show whatever the current that is coming here, okay, again it has to go in this battery. Okay, whatever the current given by this battery, again the same current has to be given to this battery. Okay, यहाँ भी current ऐसे जाएगा. Let us say this is I1, let us say this is I2. Okay, current I2 will be entering here. Okay, let us say this is I1, again यहाँ पे I1 चला जाएगा. So what is the current flowing? Current flowing here is, it is 0. Current in this is 0. This is called false branch. This is called false branch. No current flows through it. The current flowing through this is 0. चलिए बच्चों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलो बढ़ते हैं. ये कह रहा है, सी द इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट शोन इन दिस फिगर, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस इज द करेक्ट इक्वेशन फॉर इट. ठीक है, ये एक ब्रांच है, यहाँ पे करंट I1, ये एक ब्रांच है, करंट I2 है. यहाँ पे at this junction I1 is entering, I2 is also entering. Therefore here you will have I1 plus I2. चलो ठीक है, this current is entering here, this is plus, this is minus, and here I1 plus I2 is coming here. फिर I1 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, I2 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. Now let us, okay, apply KVL for this upper loop. Okay, let us apply by KVL, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law. Let us apply KVL for this loop. Start from here. I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. What is the current flowing in this resistor R? I1 plus I2 current flowing, okay, into R. And if I move further, here I1 is entering, this is plus and this is minus, okay, and this is minus and this is plus, and current is entering here plus I1 R1, and what I'm getting, negative terminal of the battery, minus of E1 is equal to 0. This, if I send on the right hand side, it will be E1 minus of I1 plus I2 into R minus I1 R1 is equal to 0. Okay, let us see this equation somewhere. E1 minus I1 plus I2 R plus, no, this is wrong, E1 minus I1 plus I2 into R minus I1 R1. This is the right answer. This is by Kirchhoff's voltage law, applying KVL to this particular loop. If I move further, I am getting for the current loops shown in the figure, Kirchhoff's loop rule for the loops, okay, यहाँ पे mention कर दिया है. Applying KVL for the loop AH DC BA, okay. Start from A, okay. I1 is entering, this is plus minus, and AH, okay, D is here, CBA, this is plus, positive terminal of the battery minus, ठीक है. Current is flowing like this, current I3 is flowing, this will be plus, then this will be minus because current is entering like this, this is plus and this is a minus, okay. Let us apply KVL for this loop. What is the drop here? 30 into I1, okay, 30 into I1, and if I move further, plus, what is the value of the voltage? Plus 45, okay, plus 45, plus what is the current here? Current here is I3, okay, 1 into I3, 1 into I3, and if I move further, plus what is the current flowing here is I3, plus 40 into I3, that is equal to again 0. We are starting from A and terminating at A itself. So 30 I1 plus 45 minus, now I will send this on the right hand side, I will check, minus 30 I1 minus 40 plus 1 is minus 41 I3 minus 30 I1 minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, now applying KVL for this loop. AH D E F G A, AH D E F G A, okay, we'll move like this, okay. Here I2 is flowing, so this will be plus I2 because current is entering here I2, and this will be minus across this resistor, and current is entering I2, okay. So I2 is entering here, this will be plus and this will be minus, and this is the battery, plus minus, okay. We have to start from AH, that is 30 I1 AH D E, okay. If I move here, I'm getting minus of 20 because current is entering from opposite side, minus of 20 I2, and if I move again, I'm getting minus of 1 into I2, and I'm getting plus 80 is equal to 0. This is the positive terminal I'm getting, G A, okay. Now on the right hand side, if I send this one, I can write this as minus 30 I1 minus 20 minus 1 is minus 21, it will become plus 21 on the right hand side if I send, and this will become minus 80 is equal to 0. Now check these two equations, okay. Minus minus 31 minus 41 minus 45, okay, minus 30 plus 21 into minus 80. This is the right answer. I'll move further. In this problem, he's saying the circuit shown in the figure, if the potential at point A is taken to be 0, potential at point A is taken to be 0, ठीक है, this is 0, VA is equal to 0, ठीक है. The potential at B, you have to find the potential at B. Okay. I have to travel from A to B. Okay, I'll be traveling 1 amperes. A to B, if I move like this, if I move, there is no use because the value of the resistance is not there. I will not take this path. If I move like this, A to B, no, value of R2 is not given. Okay. If I move like this, yes, I can move, value of the resistance is given, but what is the current? See here. At this junction, incoming current is equal to outgoing current. 1 amperes is coming here, 2 amperes is leaving. Therefore, 1 amperes of current will also be coming from here. Incoming current is equal to outgoing current. 1 amperes. It is coming from here. 1 amperes of current. This is plus then, and this is minus. Okay. 1 amperes of current, 1 amperes, 1 amperes, 2 amperes will be this. I can move from A to B like this. Okay, because I know the value of voltage here. I know the value of current that is flowing through this resistor, and I know the value of this battery. Okay, voltage. Okay, now start from A to B, VA minus VB. Start from A to B, I'm getting negative terminal of the battery, -1. Okay, if I move further, I'm getting minus because the current is coming from opposite side, -2 into 1, and if I move further, that is +2. -1, -2, +2, -2 plus 2 gets cancelled, that is equal to -1 volt is the right answer. Avoid this path because we don't know R2. Avoid this path because we don't know this resistor value. Only take this value, but write down the value of current by using KCL. Both are incoming, this is outgoing. Now बच्चों, next question है, for the circuit shown in the figure, the potential difference between points A and B. Potential difference between points A and B. If I closely observe this circuit, ठीक है बच्चों, the value of the resistors is also given clearly. This is the value of the resistance, plus minus 2 volts, plus minus 2 volts, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 4 ohm, plus minus 4 volts, this is 1 ohm. You have to find the potential between point A and B. Yeah, so this is A and this is B. Fine. Now if I observe closely, these two branches are same. Okay, same amount of resistances and same amount of battery, okay, voltage. Therefore, if let us say if 2 I amperes of current is flowing like this, I will be flowing here and I will be flowing here. Hope you have understood this one. Okay, now I'll try to explain this. If 2 I amperes of current is flowing like this, I incoming is 2I, outgoing is also 2I, I and I. Now I can apply KVL to this loop. Let us say this is A, this is B is there, this is C and D. Okay, applying KVL to the loop AC DB A. I can write this current is I, this is plus and this is minus because current is entering here. This is 2I and this is I. Okay, 1 into I. Okay, 1 into I. I'm getting plus 2 volts. You should not write volt is the unit. And if I move further, here same current I is flowing. This is plus and this is minus. Current is entering, plus 1 into I minus of 4 and again 2i, this is current entering plus, and this is okay, current 4 into 2i, minus of 4 plus of 4 into 2i is equal to 0. Understood? 1 into I plus of 2 plus of 1 into I minus 4 battery voltage plus 4 into 2i. This is I plus 2 plus I minus 4 plus of 8i is equal to 0. 8i plus I is, that is 10i. Okay. This is 2. If I, this is 2 minus 4 is how much? Minus of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 10i1 is equal to 2. I1 is equal to 2 by 10. 2 by 10, that is 1 by 5 amperes. 1 by 5 amperes. Now let us find the voltage between A and B. VA minus VB is how much? Okay. Start the journey from A and terminate at B. If I move like this, current is coming from downwards. This is plus and this is minus. I am getting minus of 2i into 4, minus of 2i into 4, plus of 4, plus of 4. That is it. Okay. If I start from A to B, this is A. I have one resistor, I have one voltage, so that is it. Okay. This is B. This is plus minus how much? 4 volts. What is the value of this resistance? 4 ohm. Current is entering like this. Okay. This is 2i. This is 2i. Therefore, here plus entering current, and this is minus current. We are coming from top to bottom, A to B. Minus of 4 into 2i, that is the drop. Okay. Drop across here is 4 into 2i, V is equal to I into R, 4 into 2i, that is in minus, plus of 4. Therefore, minus of 8i plus of 4. That is equal to minus of 8 into I is how much? 1 by 5 plus of 4. That is equal to minus of 8 by 5 plus of 4. That is equal to, take 5 as LCM, minus 8 plus of 20. 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is 2.4 volts is the right answer. Okay. 2.4 is the right answer. बच्चों आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ। ये प्रैक्टिस सारे प्रॉब्लम्स कर लेना आप। किरचॉफ्स लॉस के प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में, डेफिनेटली ये क्या 2 क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं। काइंडली डू प्रैक्टिस एंड वर्क हार्ड। आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल। अगर ये मेरा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो काइंडली लाइक इट, कमेंट इट, share it and subscribe it for others also. Okay, kindly share for others also. Thank you one and all.